Hi, welcome to this uh, certification system written in purely in Excel. So there are several steps you need to observe, right? First, of course, you're going to enter the data, and then you can go to the search, and then you can change it. So first, you go to enter the data, right? For example, here you type in your name. Uh, this is just for your records, right? Most important is this, right? You key in the numbers, and these two cells is not needed. You should not type it, right? Excel will help for you, right? Then next you go to search setting, and then you can choose from the list here, right? So and then the start date, let's say it's today, and you also specify the end date. Okay, and you can have an option to choose print to just PDF or print it directly to your what is that the printer, right? Print it out as a hard copy, and make sure you have created a folder called PDF folder, right, in C drive, and then you can click on the setup page. Setup. What happens? Setup is that it will set up this to your search page, and click on this to quickly go to the certificate page. So you can see that this is Excel intermediate level, right? You can see that here if I change to advanced and I click setup, and this will be advanced, and it's 20 to 21st, right? It's right there, and all this wording you can change, right? As usual, you can change this as well. That's not much, right? And as for this, right, you can actually the format can be set up on here as well. So there's not much you need to concern, right? All this, right, is already been named, so you can't change the location. You can change the location, but make sure you name it, and then you can print, right? So for the list of search, you can go to this setting here to keep adding up, right? And that's all about it. So uh, let's get a look, right? Click on this print, and when it's printed, it will tells you that it's printed, and you can see that it's printed, and it will also show under these PDF folders, right here. They are, and they are right. It's printed in this landscape folder, right? And thanks for watching.